Welcome to the Disco Dance Manual. Is your teacher Saturn to help you in this journey. So let's start, guys. 1, 2, 3. The Boogaloo. Yes, groove it like no tomorrow. Let's go to our next move. The Robot. Yes, let's go with these engines. And now let's do our final move, the Azul. To the Azul. To the Azul. Oh yeah, you'll be the groovest out there in the crowd. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel where I talk about men's fashion and vintage fashion. So we are in the 6th episode of Subcultures Fashion. Finally, after months and months, we are back here. Here is your groovy Saturn talking, and I took the place of Noel because he wanted to take a break from YouTube because he's fed up with you guys and also all the study that he had to do. He's here because he knows a lot about disco and 70s, guys. And wait, do I know all the planets? Earth, Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and oh, Pluto. Yeah, we are in the 70s, so Pluto is still in the gang. Take this. So today we're going to talk about disco fashion. Disco is a subculture and musical style that was born in the 1970s. It emerged in the US from the urban nightlife scene. Disco fashion took some elements from the 1960s and became more glamorous and extravagant. Funk influenced this style a lot and hippie looks got more groovy. The three-piece suit came back in style with bold colors and white labels. The liberation and freedom aspect became expressed in fashion, both in men's and women's fashion. Disco was all about breaking boundaries and being funky. It started from the nightclub scene in New York and had its shine after the release of the movie Saturday Fever, starring John Travolta, in 1977. The disco music is characterized from the 4-on-the-floor beat, syncopated bass lines, string sections, rhythm guitar, and electric piano. Some notable acts were ABBA, Chaka Khan, Donna Summer, Village People, Casey and the Sunshine Band, and Michael Jackson. Studio 54 is the best known nightclub in the world in this period. The dancing was a very important part of disco. In the beginning it involved freestyle, while later in the era many dances were created, like the Penguin, the Boogaloo, the Bump, and the popular Azul that came out in 1975. Disco competitions were very usual, and a very popular show that was around the disco dancing is Soul Train, hosted by Don Cornelius. Disco fashion became trendy in the late 1970s. Men's fashion was inspired from the Peacock Revolution of the 1960s. It adopted also some psychedelic elements from the 1960s. The leisure suit was the main staple in men's fashion. It was a casual suit, a jacket with matching trousers. It featured flared pants, bold patterns, wide labels on suits and jackets, and white collars. The main key was to stand out from the crowd. Polyester shirts became very common and became very used on clothing. Shirts were worn slightly open or halfway down. Collars were very used on clothing. Men would wear Pierre Cardin suits, three-piece suits that became popular again, and the polyester double-knit shirts. As shoes, chunky heels, disco shoes that were the gem. So now that we know the history and some facts about disco fashion, let's get groovy with some outfits. No, one outfit, one outfit, because Your Saturn here is already dressed up with the disco fashion of the 70s, and big disclaimer, I didn't have all the accurate things, like I didn't have flare pants or Cuban heels, so I tried my best to recreate this 70s outfit, and I hope you enjoy it. So hope you groove during this video, and like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will know when I put my next video. And now we'll come back on the next video, so stay tuned. And Saturn here is going back to the dance floor, so we see you there. To the assault, to the assault, to the assault.